Hello, my name is Santiago Vitoralba, and
Okay?
today I am going to interview my grandmother, Leticia Naive Blancaflor,
Okay. I'm
and
here.
I am going to ask some questions about her children's personality. Okay, number one, how would you describe your child's personality? What are some traits that really stand out?
Okay. I have my eldest daughter. The name is Sheila Mariel B. Toralba. In her younger years, she had been very good in school performance. She is very persistent. She is studious and has a very good study habits. That's why she had been a consistent honor student. My second daughter and my second daughter is Charmaine Rochelle B. Banaag, and my third daughter is Sharon Camille B. Banaag. Maybe you will notice that they have the same family name because their husbands are brothers. These two daughters of mine in the middle are strong-willed individuals. Now they were able to face challenges in life, and until now, I can call them as survivors. And my youngest daughter is a very persistent lady. Now uh, she had been roaming around in their secondary years. However, this time she had settled down and had achieved her dreams also. Okay?
What were their schools when they were younger?
What
Where
were
did they
there?
learn?
Kindly repeat.
Where did they learn? Where did they learn? What school did they
What
learn?
school? Uh, the four of them studied at Universidad de Santa Isabel. That is a Catholic school run by the Daughters of Charity. And all of them are performing well in their schooling until college. And all of them had their own courses taken, and they are now in their own fields of specialization. Okay.
Okay. Number two, can you share a moment when your child showed that personality clearly?
Oh, when they were in the elementary years, that I have observed them individually because they have different personalities, the four of them. However, I tried to adapt to their personalities and the same with them also. And I am happy that until now they were supportive, they were generous, and they have their own family and they are happily married. Okay, next.
What do you think that helped shape your child's personality? Like experiences, people, or habits?
I think what improved their personalities is the family relationships we had. Now, their habits, they have very good habits. They all of them are studious and they observe time management. Uh, because in our family, we observe courtesy, we observe many aspects of life, and you will never hear from us any bad words spoken inside our home. And we all of them are very supportive to each and every one of them. They support who lacks, and those who are more have more, they help.
Okay.
Next.
So, what really changed them? Because I remember when they still when they were still young,
Mm-hmm.
what were their personalities when they were young?
What were there?
Personalities when they were young.
Okay, but as what I've said, I have said it earlier. However, when they as they grow older, sometimes their personalities have a little change because of the environment. Environment is one of the factors, and another one are their peers, and of course, the very essence is the family. Okay.
Number 4. Has your child's personality changed or grown over time? What helped that change?
Of course, every one of us changes. Every one of us changes in personality. As what I told you earlier, it will depend on the environment where you are now, because they have they have their own fields, and I suppose at this very time in life, their personalities have really improved. How to cope with the present state of life they are now in. Okay?
So, they studied hard and they also changed what their personality.
Yeah. Because I am very happy that all of them had finished their college and they are now in their own fields. And I cannot anymore tell you their current state of life because they are not with me anymore. They have their own family, and I hope they are all doing well.
So, right right now,
Hmm.
you miss them
Of
because you
course,
haven't met them for a while, even month or a year.
yes, of course, I miss them, especially that their father is not with me anymore. So I just make myself busy by making myself uh, join the political arena, being kagawad of our barangay. So I keep myself busy. Although many times when I am alone, I miss all of them, including my grandchildren.
Thanks for the interview that we had
Okay.
today.
I'm very happy that you interview me, my dear Apo Santi. And I hope you are doing well in your studies, and I look forward to seeing you in your moving up this coming 2026.
Thank you
Okay.
for supporting me, and I wish I go to high school also
Yes,
soon.
you will make it. And I know you are good in academics. So keep it up, my dear Apo. Okay?
Okay,
Bye-bye. Love you.
bye bye.
Okay?